Hello class 11. This is your subject accountancy. Chapter number 9 journal. Lecture number 11. Beta, in our last lecture we solved till question number 14a. Let's start question number 14b. This question is given in your book on page number 9.70. Fine. First of all, you have to read this question thoroughly. See, first of all, cash in hand, cash in bank, furniture, stock, debtors, Shyam, Anil, Sunil. These all accounts are given, isn't it so? And Anil and Sunil are our creditors. Fine. So, the following are the transactions related to this question. So, let's start. Our first transaction is 2017 received a check from Ram in full settlement of his account after deducting 5% cash discount. Beta, check received from Ram. This is also a part of the question. Let's start first entry now. See, first of all, we have asset and liabilities. So the entry will be asset account debited to liabilities account. That means April 1st, 2007. Cash in hand account debit. Cash at bank account debit 16,800. Cash in hand 10,000. Furniture account debit 8,000. Stock account debit 50,000. Ram's account debit 8,000. Sham's account debit 12,000. To Anil and Sunil, because they are our creditors, that's why we will credit it to Anil's account, to Sunil's account. Fine. And balancing figure will be capital 95,800. How much? 95,800. Fine. Now second question is second illustration is transaction number 2. April 4 deposited the above check into bank. Received a check from Ram in full settlement of his account after deducting 2%. Sorry beta, 5% cash discount. Received a check from Ram. Ram has to give us, see in first part, April 1st की एंट्री में देखिए, राम ने हमें देने हैं 8,000 रुपीज. 8,000 का 5% कैलकुलेट कीजिए 400. दैट विल बी आवर डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट, isn't it so? So the entry will be checks in hand account debit 7,600, discount allowed account debit 400 to Ram's account for how much? 8,000. Fine. Because until unless it is not said that check is deposited into the bank, it will be said like it will be treated like checks in hand. Next, April 4, entry of April 4, deposited the above check into the bank. चेक बैंक में डिपॉजिट करा दिया तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू चेक्स इन हैंड अकाउंट. सिंपल. 4 checks in hand sent to bank 7,600. फाइन. नेक्स्ट है एंट्री आपकी अप्रैल 5 की. दे आर सेइंग goods purchased for rupees 20,000, 10% trade discount, 5% cash discount and payment made by check. 20,000 का 10% कैलकुलेट कीजिए 2,000. That means entry will be with rupees 18,000. Fine. So purchases account debited to bank to discount received account. Fine beta. And discount received 18,000 का 5% कैलकुलेट करेंगे वो होगा आपका 900. वो डिस्काउंट रिसीव में आएगा. बाकी जो अमाउंट है वो आपकी जाएगी बैंक में. So the entry will be purchases account debited 18,000 to bank account to discount received account. Bank account में 17,100, discount received में 900. Fine. Now April 6 received a check from Sham for 3,860 and discount allowed to him 140 rupees. Check deposited into the bank on the same day. So it is very easy entry because it is deposited into the bank. So bank account हमारा बैंक में कैश बढ़ जाएगा ना, बैंक में amount will be increase. So bank account will be debited. See, April 6, bank account will be debited with rupees 3,860. Discount allowed will be debited with rupees 140 and to Sham's account 4,000. Fine. शाम से पैसे मिले, दैट्स वाई शाम्स अकाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड. बैंक में सबमिट कराए, बैंक अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड. डिस्काउंट अलाउड किया, डिस्काउंट अलाउड विल बी डेबिटेड बिकॉज डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस. आई टोल्ड यू ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट रूल. नेक्स्ट वन इज April 10 paid cash to Anil after deducting 2% cash discount. Anil is our creditor. Fine. सो अनिल ने हमें पैसे दिए हुए हैं, हमने उसे कैश पे किया है, मतलब हमारे बिजनेस में से कैश कम हो गया है. हाउ मच वी हैव पेड हिम आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग 2% कैश डिस्काउंट. अनिल हैज Anil's account will be debited with rupees 4,000. 4,000 का 2% कैलकुलेट कीजिए, 80 rupees will be discount received and remaining amount 3,920 will be in our cash account. So finally the entry will be Anil's account debited 4,000 to cash account 3,920 to discount received account 80 rupees. Narration will be cash paid to Anil in full settlement. Fine beta. Now see April 15, old furniture sold for 800. We have sold furniture and we received cash for it. So cash is coming in the business. So cash account will be debited 800 to furniture account because furniture is coming, cash furniture is going out from the business and cash is coming in the business. So cash account debited to furniture account 800 800. Fine. Narration will be furniture sold for cash. Now April 16, they are saying sold goods to Shiv Prasad at the list price of 10,000 at a trade discount of 15%. 10,000 का 15% 1,500 means entry will be with rupees 8,500. So the entry will be April 16 Shiv Prasad's account debited 8,500 to sales account. Sales account 8,500. Fine. And the narration will be goods sold to Shiv Prasad on credit. What will be the narration? Goods sold to Shiv Prasad on credit. Fine. Now next entry is April 18. Shiv Prasad returned goods to us. Beta, we have sold goods to Shiv Prasad, so Shiv Prasad's account debited to sales were there na. So now Shiv Prasad returned goods to us. Now the entry will be sales return account debited to Shiv Prasad. Fine. What will be the entry now? Sales return account debited to Shiv Prasad. Fine. Opposite entry will be there na for sales return with rupees 850, 850. Because Shiv Prasad returned goods of the list price of 1,000. So 1,000 का 15% calculate करेंगे 150. 1,000 minus 150, 850. So entry will be with rupees 850. Fine. We have done this earlier as well, isn't it so? Now April 20. What will be the entry of April 20? Paid for furniture repairs to Bahadur thing. Beta, whenever we paid for repairs, so repairs account will be debited because it is our expense with rupees 100 to cash account. To cash account. Understood? Because cash is going out from the business, that's why to cash account. Repair account is our expense, so repairs account will be debited to cash account, and the narration will be cash paid for repair of furniture. Now April 25th, received a check from Shiv Prasad after deducting 4% cash discount, and check was deposited into bank. See, bank check was deposited into bank means bank account will be debited. Discount allowed account will be debited to Shiv Prasad. We have received a check from Shiv Prasad after deducting. शिव प्रसाद को सेल किया 8500 का सामान, उसमें से 850 माइनस कीजिए, ये आएगा आपका 7650. तो टू शिव प्रसाद 7650. Calculate 4% of it. This will be 306. Fine. Bank account debited, discount allowed account debited to Shiv Prasad account. After discount allowed, remaining amount will be in bank 7344. Discount allowed 306. That will be 4% of 7650 rupees. Fine, beta. And narration will be check received in full settlement. Fine. Now some new entry is bank charges. बैंक चार्ज 50 रुपीज बैंक चार्जेस. बैंक ने हमसे बैंक चार्जेस लिए हैं. तो if bank has charged the amount from us, definitely it will be deducting from our bank account, है ना. So bank account will be credited to bank account, debited will be bank charges account. It is given in your book on page number related to bank's entry, na. Beta, it is given on page number 9.28. See, 13 entry. When bank charges some amount for the services rendered by the bank, that means बैंक ने आपसे कुछ चार्जेस लिए हैं. जो बैंक सर्विसेज देता है उसके रिटर्न में बैंक कुछ चार्जेस लेता है, तो उसको बोलते हैं बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बैंक अकाउंट. So same entry will be there on April 28th. Now April 30th. This is like received commission rupees 200. कमीशन रिसीव हुई है तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कमीशन अकाउंट. कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कमीशन अकाउंट. अंडरस्टूड? So finally you will do total of both the sides, that will be 1,64,550 rupees. Fine. Next question is beta question number 15. Pass journal entries for the following transactions. See, first of all they are asking you to solve it. Provide depreciation on furniture and machinery. Beta, this topic is given in your book on page number 9.34. That means whenever we charge depreciation on any machinery, that means depreciation account debited to asset account, because it is permanent decrease in the value of permanent and continuing decrease in the value of asset on account of wear and tear or passage of time. So it is business expense though it is not paid in cash. So beta, they are saying that it is included in nominal account. Fine, it is loss, that's why it is debited. Depreciation is considered as loss, that's why it is debited. Fine. So entry will be depreciation account debited 2500 to furniture account to machinery account 500 and 2000. Fine. Now they are saying the second entry is received cash 1000 for bad debts written off last year. Beta, whenever there are bad debts, that means that will be debited because they are our expenses. We can say loss because we will not get that money in future. Fine. But whenever it is recovered, that means cash is coming into the business. So whenever the entry is related to bad debts recovered, it will be cash account debited 1000 to bad debts recovered account. Fine. It is also given in your book on page number 9.33. Fine. Now next entry is they are saying Ajay Singh was declared bankrupt. Ajay Singh जो है bankrupt declare हो गया. He owed 2500 to us. उसने हमें 2500 देने थे. Nothing could be recovered. उसकी साइड से कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा हमें. तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा मतलब हमारा सारा पैसा डूब गया. It means that will be considered as bad debts. So the entry will be bad debts account debited to Ajay Singh's account. 2500, 2500. Understood? Now next is देखिए 20,000 for wages and 4,000 for salaries are outstanding. Outstanding expenses are there. This is also given on page number 9.33. Whenever any outstanding expenses are there, so that means that we have a liability to pay the outstanding expenses. So that's why the entry will be salary account debited to outstanding salary. Here two things are there, wages and salaries. So you will do both the entries combined, wages account debited to outstanding wages and salary account debit to outstanding salary. Or you can do wages account debited with rupees 20,000, salaries account debited 4,000 to outstanding wages account, 20,000 to outstanding salaries account 4,000. So the narration will be wages and salaries were outstanding. Fine? Understood, beta? Next entry is they are saying purchase furniture for rupees 6,000 for the proprietor and paid the amount by check. Purchase furniture for personal use, that means these are our drawings. And what will be the entry of drawings? Drawings account debited to bank account because we have paid the amount by check. So drawings account debited 6,000 to bank account, 6,000 furniture purchase for personal use. Beta, next entry is provide 9% interest on capital amounting to rupees 2 lakhs. Interest on capital and interest on drawings. Two things are there. If interest on capital is there, definitely the entry will be interest on capital account debited to capital account. Fine. Because beta interest is loss in point of view of the business and interest on capital is profit, means we can say gain in view of the proprietor. So that's why, and it is included in, it is interest account is included in nominal account na. That's why it is debited. Interest on capital account debited to capital account, and drawing account is opposite to interest on capital. The drawings account debited to interest on drawings account. So sixth entry is provide 9% interest on capital on 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs ka 9% we will calculate, that will be 18,000. So entry will be interest on capital account debited to capital account, and the narration will be interest on capital provided. And seventh entry is charge interest on drawing. Beta, it is opposite to interest on capital because the firm allow interest on capital. It should not charge interest on drawing made by the proprietor. So this is an expense for the proprietor and gain for the business. So if it is any expense for the proprietor, so it will be debited. Means drawings account will be debited to interest on drawings account. Fine. So that will be 1000, 1000. And the narration will be interest on drawings charge. Now we will do total of the both the sides, debit and credit side, 55,000, 55,000. Fine. So your homework is you have to do these questions in your fair notebook along with do practice of the illustration related to these questions given on page number 9.33 and 9.35. Fine.